map where Strait of Malacca is. Alright. So we're going to have a rather long journey today. Alright, and should take approx of an hour, 45 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the traffic, as it is already raining in the morning. Alright, we're going to travel from Kuala Lumpur city, driving through state of Negeri Sembilan, and we'll be reaching to Malacca, state of Malacca. Okay, one of the what do you call, second smallest state of Malaysia, called state of Malacca. Alright, and further down, right after Malacca, will be state of Johor. That will be the longest stretch down to Singapore. Alright, so we're going to cover halfway down to state of Malacca. So Malacca is where the history of Malaysia was born, right? As per what it has been recorded, right, in state of Malacca. So to start the day, alright, we'll talk about the whole nation. Alright, this land once used to be a land of the Indian Empire. Used to be an Indian Empire. Rajendra Chola used to rule this land. Right, and the young prince of Rajendra Chola will be Parameswara, Hindu Empire. So you'll be kind of shocked. Now this is an Islamic land. Most of them are Muslims. How did it become used to be a Hindu land? All right. Can we have the phones off? Obstructing me. Okay. So this is how this what you call the history started. The father of Parameswara, Rajendra Chola, used to have his empire over here instead of Johor. Muar. Muar means three river. Right? Muar. Now it's being called as Muar. M-U-A-R, Muar. Right? Initially used to be known as Muar. Three rivers. Right? In Tamil. Right over here. So then after, right, the young prince of this empire, Rajendra Chola's empire, went down to expand his empire, the father's empire. So while he tried to conquer Indonesia way back then. Alright. And Indonesia way back then was being ruled by a Muslim empire, Majapahit Empire. Majapahit Empire. So he created a war in between Majapahit and Srivijaya Empire. Srivijaya used to be the father's empire. So he created a war, and he was being defeated. He was losing out. Alright, Parameswara was losing out. Then what happened? He gave up this land. He went down to this island. At that point, it was known as Temasek. The ruler of Temasek used to be Temagi. Without knowing, this island has a good interest from King of Siam. King of Siam. Okay, Parameswara gave up here. He came down here, and Temagi used to give him what we call shelter. Gave him shelter. So Malacca, upside. Right? That's where and how this state got its name. So seeing this incident, one of his followers says, a small creature such as mouse deer has such a courage to defeat our hunting dogs. So this land must be having some good energy, positive energy over here, a good aura over here. We should start our own empire over here in this land called Malacca. We named this place as Malacca. Alright? Very busy. Traders from China, right? Very common. From China, this point, they come down all the way here. Right during the monsoon, they will have their journey in between in what you call Malaysia and Indonesia. This place is called Straits of Malacca. Alright, Straits of Malacca. I'm giving a brief history, at least you'll have some idea what's happening here. Alright? So this place, Indonesia, is protected throughout the year. So it's a good time when they off monsoon, they will journey through here, passing by Singapore, right? Come down here. This is monsoon. Over here during the monsoon, and this whole place is safe for them to continue the journey. So what they do, they will dock here, which they have a very prominent what we call port over here. So this is where they also participate in trading activities such as spice, clothes, silks, rice, all those we brought by from China, settled down here, right? And also from India, traders from India, traders from Europe, all right? The Portuguese, the Dutch, right? They also sail down through this place, heading towards China. So here during monsoon, they are all here. So very busy during monsoon and throughout the year. So they come down here.
เถียงกัน